Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about one of the 4 Munias in Sri Lanka. The black-throated Munia. The black-throated Munia or Jerdon's Mannikin is a small passerine bird. The only Munia in its range that is found only close to forests. This estrilded finch is a resident breeding bird in the hills of southwest India, eastern Ghats and Sri Lanka. Male is black on face, throat and center of the breast. Crown to lower back is brown with whitish shaft streaks. Female is much like male but often more spotted on rump. Found in forest edges, grasslands, gardens in the hills and tea plantations across all altitude belts. Birds in Sri Lanka have more scaly underparts while Indian birds have buff flanks and lower breast. Their calls are like locally named Gela Kalu Wee Kurulla. I have not seen the black-throated Munia. As mentioned, it is an upcountry bird. We have recently visited the area of Jerdon near the Castlereagh Reservoir. These are some of the pictures of us spending time near this magnificent lake.